Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your dev environment is ready, Flutter, platform tools, and a Firebase project. Once created, add your Android package ID and iOS bundle ID so Firebase can generate config files. Download Google services, JSON and Google Service Info. List and place them in the app-level folders now because the CLI and build systems need them immediately. While you do this, add the Firebase Android plugin and iOS Plist integration. This first step wires your app to Firebase and prevents configuration errors later. Next, add Firebase Core and the specific Firebase packages you need, such as Firebase Auth, Cloud Firestore, or Firebase Storage into PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Then make the platform edits. Update Gradle files for Android and ensure iOS has the Plist entries and proper CocoaPod setup. In Dart, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized. Then await Firebase. Initialize app in main, so the SDK is ready before your widgets build. Doing this now avoids runtime null errors and ensures services authenticate cleanly. Finally, implement the features. Authenticate users through Firebase Auth using email/password or provider flows, then interact with Cloud Firestore using explicit document paths and snapshot listeners so UI updates in real time. Make sure to set Firestore security rules during development to avoid accidental public writes. If something fails, test on a real device, enable verbose logging in the Firebase SDK, and inspect the Firebase console for auth and database errors. One key tip: mismatched package ID or missing config files are the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.